Welcome. Today, we're diving into the concept of agility in the workplace. In a rapidly changing business environment, agility is more than just a buzzword. It's a crucial skill that enables organizations and individuals to adapt, innovate, and thrive. We'll explore what agility means, why it's important, and how you can start developing it within your team or organization. Whether you're a manager, team member, or business owner, understanding workplace agility can help you respond to challenges more effectively and seize new opportunities as they arise. Let's get started on this journey toward a more agile workplace. Workplace agility refers to the ability of an organization and its employees to quickly adapt to changes, respond to new challenges, and continuously improve processes. It involves being flexible, open to new ideas, and ready to pivot when necessary. Agile workplaces encourage collaboration, innovation, and a growth mindset. By fostering agility, companies can stay ahead of the competition and better meet the needs of their customers. In the next scenes, we'll break down the key elements that make up an agile workplace and how you can cultivate them. Agility is essential in today's fast-paced world. Markets shift, technologies evolve, and customer expectations change rapidly. Organizations that lack agility often struggle to keep up, leading to missed opportunities or even failure. On the other hand, agile organizations can quickly adjust their strategies, processes, and products to meet new demands. This ability to pivot not only ensures survival but also drives growth and innovation. As we move forward, we'll look at the characteristics of agile teams and how they contribute to overall business success. Agile teams are known for their flexibility, collaboration, and willingness to experiment. They communicate openly, share knowledge, and support one another in achieving common goals. These teams embrace feedback and view mistakes as learning opportunities rather than failures. By fostering a culture of trust and continuous improvement, agile teams can respond to challenges with creative solutions. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of leadership in promoting agility within teams. Leadership plays a pivotal role in developing workplace agility. Agile leaders inspire trust, empower their teams, and encourage experimentation. They set clear visions but remain open to new ideas and feedback. By modeling agile behaviors, leaders create an environment where employees feel safe to take risks and innovate. Effective leaders also remove obstacles, provide resources, and celebrate successes, all of which contribute to a more agile and resilient organization. Growth mindset is fundamental to workplace agility. It's the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Teams with a growth mindset are more likely to embrace challenges, persist through setbacks, and see effort as a path to mastery. Encouraging this mindset within your organization can lead to greater resilience and adaptability. Next, we'll explore practical steps to foster a growth mindset among employees. Open communication is a cornerstone of agile workplaces. When team members feel comfortable sharing ideas, feedback, and concerns, it leads to better decision-making and problem-solving. Leaders can foster open communication by creating safe spaces for dialogue, actively listening, and encouraging diverse perspectives. This openness not only builds trust but also helps teams adapt quickly to changes. In the following scene, we'll discuss how collaboration enhances agility. Collaboration is at the heart of agile organizations. When people work together, they combine their strengths, share knowledge, and generate innovative solutions. Effective collaboration requires trust, respect, and a willingness to listen and learn from one another. By breaking down silos and encouraging cross-functional teamwork, organizations can respond to challenges more effectively and drive continuous improvement. Next, we'll look at how embracing change supports agility. Change is inevitable in any workplace. Agile organizations don't just accept change, they embrace it. They see change as an opportunity to learn, grow, and innovate. By fostering a culture that welcomes change, organizations can stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive. This mindset helps teams adapt quickly and find creative solutions to new challenges. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of continuous learning. Continuous learning is a key driver of workplace agility. Agile organizations encourage employees to seek out new knowledge, develop new skills, and stay up to date with industry trends. This commitment to learning ensures that teams are always ready to tackle new challenges and adapt to changing circumstances. Providing opportunities for training, mentorship, and professional development can help foster a culture of continuous improvement. Next, we'll explore how feedback fuels agility. Feedback is essential for agile teams. It helps individuals and teams understand what's working, what isn't, and where improvements can be made. Constructive feedback should be timely, specific, and focused on growth. By creating a feedback-rich environment, organizations can drive continuous improvement and foster a culture of openness and trust. In the next scene, we'll discuss how setting clear goals supports agility. Clear goals provide direction and focus for agile teams. When everyone understands what they're working toward, it's easier to prioritize tasks, make decisions, and measure progress. Agile organizations set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, often referred to as SMART goals. These goals help teams stay aligned and motivated even as circumstances change. Next, we'll look at how prioritization enhances agility. Prioritization is crucial for maintaining agility. With limited time and resources, teams must focus on the most important tasks that will drive results. Agile teams regularly review their priorities, adjust plans as needed, and stay flexible in the face of new information. This approach ensures that efforts are always aligned with organizational goals and that teams can respond quickly to changing demands. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of adaptability. Adaptability is the ability to adjust to new conditions and challenges. Agile teams demonstrate adaptability by staying open to change, experimenting with new approaches, and learning from their experiences. This flexibility allows them to overcome obstacles and seize new opportunities as they arise. By encouraging adaptability, organizations can build resilience and maintain a competitive edge. Next, we'll explore how technology supports workplace agility. Technology plays a significant role in enabling workplace agility. Tools for communication, collaboration, and project management help teams stay connected and organized, even when working remotely. By embracing new technologies, organizations can streamline processes, improve efficiency, and respond more quickly to changes. Investing in the right technology can give your team the flexibility and support needed to thrive in a dynamic environment. Next, we'll discuss the value of cross-functional teams. Cross-functional teams bring together individuals with diverse skills and perspectives. This diversity fosters creativity, innovation, and more effective problem-solving. Agile organizations often form cross-functional teams to tackle complex projects and adapt quickly to new challenges. By encouraging collaboration across departments, companies can break down silos and leverage the full range of their employees' talents. Next, we'll look at how empowering employees supports agility. Empowered employees are more engaged, motivated, and willing to take initiative. Agile organizations give employees the autonomy to make decisions, experiment with new ideas, and take ownership of their work. This empowerment leads to greater innovation and faster problem-solving. Leaders can support empowerment by providing clear expectations, resources, and support. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of trust in Agile workplaces. Trust is the foundation of any Agile workplace. When employees trust their leaders and colleagues, they feel safe to share ideas, take risks, and collaborate openly. Trust is built through transparency, consistency, and mutual respect. Leaders can foster trust by communicating openly, following through on commitments, and recognizing contributions. A high-trust environment enables teams to work more effectively and adapt quickly to change. Next, we'll explore how to create a safe space for innovation. Innovation thrives in environments where people feel safe to experiment and share unconventional ideas. Agile organizations create safe spaces by encouraging curiosity, celebrating experimentation, and viewing failures as learning opportunities. This approach not only sparks creativity but also accelerates problem-solving and growth. Leaders play a key role in modeling these behaviors and supporting their teams. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to manage risk in Agile workplaces. Agility doesn't mean avoiding risk, it means managing it effectively. Agile organizations identify potential risks early, assess their impact, and develop strategies to mitigate them. By encouraging open discussions about risks and learning from past experiences, teams can make informed decisions and adapt quickly when challenges arise. This proactive approach builds resilience and ensures long-term success. Next, we'll look at how to measure agility in the workplace. To improve workplace agility, it's important to measure progress. Organizations can use key performance indicators, KPIs such as response time to change, employee engagement, and innovation rates. Regularly reviewing these metrics helps teams identify areas for improvement and celebrate successes. By tracking agility, organizations can ensure they're moving in the right direction and making meaningful progress. In the next scene, we'll discuss the role of customer feedback in agility. Customer feedback is a valuable source of information for Agile organizations. By listening to customers and incorporating their insights, teams can improve products, services, and processes. This customer-centric approach ensures that organizations remain relevant and responsive to market needs. Gathering and acting on feedback helps teams stay agile and continuously deliver value. Next, we'll explore how to foster a culture of experimentation. Culture of experimentation encourages teams to test new ideas, learn from results, and iterate quickly. Agile organizations support experimentation by providing resources, celebrating successes, and learning from failures. This approach drives innovation and helps teams adapt to changing circumstances. By fostering a culture of experimentation, organizations can stay ahead of the competition and continuously improve. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward. Agile organizations build resilience by supporting their employees, encouraging learning, and maintaining a positive outlook. When teams are resilient, they can handle challenges more effectively and recover quickly from failures. This strength is essential for maintaining agility in a constantly changing environment. Next, we'll look at how to foster accountability in Agile workplaces. Accountability ensures that everyone takes responsibility for their actions and outcomes. In Agile workplaces, accountability is shared across teams, with each member contributing to the group's success. Clear expectations, regular check-ins, and transparent communication help foster accountability. When teams hold themselves and each other accountable, they can achieve better results and adapt more quickly to change. Next, we'll discuss how to celebrate successes in Agile organizations. Celebrating successes, big or small, boosts morale and reinforces Agile behaviors. Recognizing achievements encourages teams to keep striving for excellence and fosters a positive work environment. Agile organizations celebrate both individual and team accomplishments, using these moments to reflect on what worked well and how to build on that success. In the next scene, we'll explore how to handle setbacks constructively. Setbacks are inevitable, but Agile teams view them as opportunities to learn and grow. By analyzing what went wrong and identifying lessons learned, teams can make improvements and avoid similar issues in the future. This constructive approach to setbacks builds resilience and supports continuous improvement. Leaders can help by providing support, encouraging reflection, and maintaining a positive outlook. Next, we'll discuss the importance of transparency in Agile workplaces. Transparency is key to building trust and supporting agility. When information is shared openly, teams can make better decisions and respond more quickly to changes. Transparent organizations communicate goals, progress, and challenges clearly, ensuring everyone is on the same page. This openness fosters collaboration and accountability, enabling teams to adapt and innovate more effectively. Next, we'll look at how to encourage initiative in Agile teams. Initiative is a hallmark of Agile teams. When employees take initiative, they proactively identify opportunities, solve problems, and drive progress. Leaders can encourage initiative by empowering employees, recognizing their efforts, and providing opportunities for growth. This proactive mindset helps teams stay agile and responsive to new challenges. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of flexibility in Agile workplaces. Flexibility allows teams to adjust their plans and approaches as circumstances change. Agile organizations value flexibility, encouraging employees to adapt their work styles and processes to meet evolving needs. This adaptability ensures that teams can respond quickly to new information and challenges. Leaders can support flexibility by providing options, encouraging experimentation, and removing barriers. Next, we'll explore how to maintain focus in a dynamic environment. A fast-paced environment, it's easy to get distracted. Agile teams maintain focus by setting clear priorities, minimizing distractions, and regularly reviewing progress. This focus enables teams to deliver high-quality results even when faced with competing demands. Leaders can help by clarifying goals, providing support, and removing obstacles. In the next scene, we'll discuss the value of time management in Agile workplaces. Effective time management is essential for workplace agility. Agile teams use tools and techniques to plan, track, and optimize their work. By managing time effectively, teams can meet deadlines, balance workloads, and ensure that important tasks are completed. Leaders can support time management by setting realistic expectations and providing resources. Next, we'll look at how to encourage creativity in Agile workplaces. Creativity fuels innovation and problem-solving in Agile organizations. By encouraging employees to think outside the box and experiment with new ideas, organizations can develop unique solutions and stay ahead of the competition. Leaders can foster creativity by providing time, resources, and support for creative projects. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of diversity in Agile workplaces. Diversity and inclusion are vital for workplace agility. Diverse teams bring a wide range of perspectives, experiences, and ideas, leading to better decision-making and innovation. Inclusive organizations ensure that everyone feels valued and empowered to contribute. By embracing diversity and fostering inclusion, organizations can build stronger, more agile teams. Next, we'll explore how to support remote and hybrid work in Agile workplaces. Remote and hybrid work models have become increasingly common, and agility is essential for making them successful. Agile organizations use technology to stay connected, maintain collaboration, and support flexible work arrangements. By providing clear expectations and regular check-ins, leaders can ensure that remote teams remain engaged and productive. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of well-being in Agile workplaces. Employee well-being is a priority in Agile workplaces. When employees feel supported and valued, they're more engaged, productive, and resilient. Agile organizations promote well-being by offering flexible work arrangements, providing resources for mental and physical health, and encouraging work-life balance. Leaders play a key role in modeling healthy behaviors and supporting their teams. Next, we'll look at how to foster a sense of belonging in Agile workplaces. Sense of belonging helps employees feel connected and engaged. Agile organizations foster belonging by creating inclusive environments, recognizing contributions, and encouraging collaboration. When employees feel like they belong, they're more likely to contribute their best work and support their teammates. Leaders can foster belonging by building relationships, celebrating diversity, and promoting teamwork. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to encourage continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is at the core of workplace agility. Agile organizations regularly review their processes, seek feedback, and implement changes to enhance performance. This commitment to improvement drives innovation and ensures that teams remain competitive. Leaders can support continuous improvement by encouraging experimentation, celebrating progress, and providing resources for learning. Next, we'll look at how to align values and behaviors in Agile workplaces. Alignment between organizational values and employee behaviors is essential for agility. When values are clearly communicated and consistently demonstrated, teams are more likely to work together effectively and adapt to change. Leaders play a key role in modeling values and reinforcing desired behaviors. This alignment creates a strong foundation for Agile practices and supports long-term success. Next, we'll discuss the importance of celebrating diversity of thought. Diversity of thought brings new perspectives and ideas to the table. Agile organizations encourage employees to share their unique viewpoints and challenge assumptions. This openness to different ways of thinking drives innovation and helps teams solve complex problems. Leaders can foster diversity of thought by encouraging open dialogue, valuing all contributions, and promoting psychological safety. In the next scene, we'll explore how to build a learning organization. Learning organization is one that continuously seeks knowledge and adapts to new information. Agile organizations invest in training, encourage knowledge sharing, and support professional development. This commitment to learning ensures that teams are always ready to face new challenges and seize opportunities. Leaders can support learning by providing resources, recognizing achievements, and fostering a culture of curiosity. Next, we'll discuss the importance of agility in leadership. Agile leaders are adaptable, open-minded, and focused on empowering their teams. They set clear visions, encourage experimentation, and support continuous improvement. By modeling Agile behaviors, leaders inspire their teams to embrace change and pursue excellence. Agile leadership is essential for creating a culture of agility and driving organizational success. In the next scene, we'll look at how to sustain agility over time. Sustaining agility requires ongoing effort and commitment. Organizations must regularly review their practices, adapt to new challenges, and invest in their people. By fostering a culture of learning, collaboration, and innovation, organizations can maintain agility and continue to thrive in a changing world. Leaders play a key role in sustaining agility by providing support, resources, and encouragement. Next, we'll summarize the key takeaways from our discussion. Let's recap the main points. Workplace agility is about adapting to change, fostering collaboration, and continuously improving. It requires strong leadership, a growth mindset, and a commitment to learning. By embracing agility, organizations can respond to challenges, seize opportunities, and achieve long-term success. Remember, agility is a journey, not a destination. Keep striving for improvement and stay open to new possibilities. In our final scene, we'll offer some practical steps to start developing agility in your workplace. Develop agility in your workplace. Start by fostering open communication, encouraging collaboration, and supporting continuous learning. Empower your teams, embrace change, and celebrate both successes and setbacks as opportunities for growth. Invest in technology, promote diversity, and create a safe environment for experimentation. Remember, agility is built over time through consistent effort and a willingness to adapt. By taking these steps, you can unlock the full potential of your organization and thrive in an ever-changing world.